Good morning, viewers. This is AusDish, and today I'm at Osaka, which is not great, but right now I'm in the Power of Hollywood, Universal Studios, Japan. So I got some of my viewers have comments saying do a USJ vlog, and I had the chance to come here today and wanted to do a USJ vlog. So today I'll be taking you guys around some of the areas like Super Nintendo World, as I heard that they're releasing in American soon, and I want to show you guys some of the cool Japan series like Jyujyutsukaisen and have my comments about it and what it was like. And right now it's the holiday season, so hopefully if I have the time to show you some Christmas in USJ. So cut chase, I'm a bit hungry, I'm gonna get some breakfast first and then head into the park. Let's go. So, like I said, I'm at the Power of Hollywood, Universal Studios Japan. And to start off, I wanted to kick some adrenaline from my sleepiness. To let you guys know, I took a night bus the day before from Tokyo and arrived here in 7:30 in the morning. So I decided to ride USJ's most popular roller coaster, Hollywood Dreams the Ride. What's fun about this ride is that you can listen to some music when you're riding on the coaster. You can choose one song from 5 different songs, and sometimes they have one song for a special collaboration. Right now, USJ is collaborating with Jyujyutsukaisen for their 4D attraction, and they've added the opening song of the first season. Also, during nighttime, it is actually a beautiful place to look around outside, as it's like a shooting star running down around USJ, and even right on it feels like it. So go give it a try if you have a chance. Oh, by the way, even I wanted to take this ride, I hate thrill rides since I was a kid. Roller coasters? No. Splash rides? No. Free falls? God no. So knowing my own weakness, I chose the dumbest decision on that day, and I feel that I totally regret that decision, and here's why. So I just got off the Hollywood Dream ride. My first actual ride. I actually really hate roller coasters, but since it was not a rainy day when I was lining up, wanted to try a bit, experience it, get my guts to the roller coaster to it. But it was fun. It was really fun. The problem was it's raining right now, so you can see my hair is a bit wet and my sunglasses a bit wet. It's like it started to rain a bit, and then when it finished the ride, we were completely wet. So it's not a good day for a rainy day, but an awesome day for a roller coaster and some music. But I liked it. After a nice scream and shooting myself, I went over to see Jyujyutsukaisen 4D Experience. So every year, USJ has an annual event series called Cool Japan, where they collab with 3 to 4 anime or Japanese games into their attractions. Now, how was the 4D experience? It was okay. I would say that if you love the characters and want to see them tag along, then you might enjoy this. I did like the story they were building in the pre-show, but if you're expecting an anime level of hyped fighting scenes like I did, then don't feel too discouraged by it. But it was good. So it was during the holiday season in USJ, and they had the Christmas decorations all around the park. A lot of people who came to enjoy here during this season was this huge Christmas tree. USJ is famous for having this type of Christmas tree, but they were also proud to have this tree to have 2 Guinness World Records. One having the most lights on an artificial Christmas tree, and the other is having the largest Christmas snowflake ornament. But I would like to be honest that this tree looks way better during the night, as it glows in the numerous colors and has some projection mapping besides it. But go check them out if you want to compare them next year. After gazing at the Christmas lights, it was time to head off to another area. Still around 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Still got some time. So I've decided to do some bit of magic at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Let's go. As Super Nintendo World is a very popular area, they're allowing entrance restrictions by serving a spot for each timetable. Since I served a spot and an hour later at that time, I went over to the Wizard of Harry Potter to test some of my magic skills.
Wingardium Leviosa.
And while I was having fun during the magic, I was a bit hungry, so I lined up this shop where they were selling meat pies. For my honest, it was a little pricey for a small size pie, but I would say that the taste was pretty good to the ones I've tried back in the pastry shops in Australia, so it was pretty accurate. I did like it. So, after getting a snack, it's finally time to jump in to Super Nintendo World. Recently, Universal Studios Hollywood has announced that they are opening their version of Super Nintendo World from next year February. This can be a good opportunity to know what is installed, as most of the attractions will be the same as USJ. So, let's check them out.
So, as you can see behind me, I'm in Super Nintendo World. Woo-hoo! The thing that you guys were waiting to watch. So, I'm gonna get inside right now, and this is actually my second time. Well, my first time I actually bought this kind of watch thing, which actually you need, well, kind of important if you want to have fun the rest of your day in Super Nintendo World. And this is, when I actually saw the entrance, I just realized right now it's Christmas, and they have these lovely, nice Snow Mario Luigi snowmans, and a nice little ribbon around the box. So, I'm going to be excited what's inside installed in this kind of holiday version. Let's go!
So, my journey starts by walking through the same old pipe in the games, and coming out to Peach's Castle. If you've played Super Mario 64, then you'll notice some familiar music and pictures. Once you step out of the castle, you'll be welcomed with this amazing view of Super Nintendo World. From this winter, Super Nintendo World has added some seasonal decorations like the entrance, and the Christmas version will be their first time to show. Even the Hogwarts pie was not enough to keep my stomach. I decided to grab some lunch at Kinopio's Cafe, where you can try numerous types of Mario themed meals. The system at this restaurant is you order a meal first, then you get a number card and be guided to your seat at this amazing dining hall. While you're waiting for your meal, you can look around at some of the windows where toads cook food and the world of the Mushroom Kingdom. As I enjoy looking around the window, my meal has finally arrived. For today, I wanted to try the Christmas special.
Whoa! Look at this! So delicious! It smells nice! Oh, nice sauce! I just put some little sauce here. Oh my goodness! Very juicy. And this tree here, the staff was saying this was made of mashed potatoes. So I'll take a little bit of a green here. Oh, it is mashed potato. Oh, it has a little bit of a little macaroni pasta in here. Oh, it's actually really good. Oh, it's spinach. Oh, that's why it's so flavory. Oh, it's good. So, now is my next one, is my dessert. And I want to show you guys this. Pretty amazing. It's a really nice cake. It's a chocolate cake. And this is a Christmas special version dessert. And apparently this part, the fire flower, this has two other different types of items that you can actually see on this cake. So if you ever have the chance to come to Super Nintendo World during Christmas or the next Christmas, please try this cake if it serves, because they actually do have different types of cakes, different types of cookies on top of it. Okay, but let's try the tastings. Is it good? I don't know how to eat it. It's really nice cake. You guys here? It's nice. Oh wait, is it gelatin? Oh, it's raspberry. It looks raspberry chocolate. I don't know, but here goes. Mmm. Whoa. This is really good. Mmm. Chocolate's well flavored, tasted. I think maybe the bottom part was chocolate mousse. That little brown gooey. It's really good. Oh my god. Oh, this would be actually really good with the white cream there. Wow, that's great.
So, after enjoying my meal, it was time to explore around the area. As I explained before, that this is my second time to come here, so my first advice is get a power band. These bands are important to interact with the stuff in the area, like hitting blocks to collect coins, challenging mini-games, and collecting achievements. You can also take a look at your progress at the display in the area to see how much of a gamer you are. In Super Nintendo World, there are 3 ways to have fun. The first one is Yoshi Adventure, where you can collect fruits. It is also a nice view of the area, so I do recommend riding there during a sunny day. Next one is the minigame challenge called Ultimate Key Challenge. In Super Nintendo World, there are 5 minigames scattered around the area, and you can earn a key if you successfully pass each game. If you've collected 3 keys, you'll be allowed to enter the Ultimate Key Challenge. The challenge is working with other people to beat Bowser Jr., and you'll get a small reward if you beat him. You can try as much as you can, so go ahead and have fun. The last one is the main attraction of this area, Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. The attraction is located at Bowser's Castle, where you can look around some of the Easter eggs scattered around the queue area. What's amazing about this attraction is that you'll experience Mario Kart by using this special cap and this vehicle, and interact with characters just like the games. Not only that, you can compete with other players to see who can get the most coins through the race, so try as much as you can to become the best racer. Also, even in this game, you'll also find some hidden achievement, so go ahead and try as much as you can to fly around with your turtle shells and try to get those hidden secrets. As I had a lot of fun around here, time flies very quickly and it was a good time to leave soon. Oh, but before that, I wanted to have one last snack at Yoshi Snack Island, where you can try this noodle stuffed calzone. Normally, they only serve green shells, which had some yakisoba inside the calzone. But since it was the holiday season and they were serving another additional red shell calzone, I want to have it. And interestingly, it had some spaghetti in there. Pretty good for a decent meal.
Now I've quite enjoyed walking around in this Super Nintendo World. Now it's going back to reality. Doing some last ride before I leave USJ and prepare to head back. It was really fun. I really enjoyed it. I actually stayed for quite a long while here. Really fun.
So after I left Super Nintendo World, I wanted to try some couple of rides that I wanted to try and enjoy the night around USJ, and it was already time to go back to Tokyo.
So, we're back to square one, back at the Globe entrance. It's lovely, isn't it? I hope you liked it. And I think it's the screen right now. So, I hope you really guys liked of me taking you around at USJ, like Super Nintendo World, one of the cool Japan attractions, and experiencing the day at USJ. I hope it helps you guys when you ever come to USJ and be excited. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to like this video after you watch this. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, as I will do more traveling videos through this channel. And let me know down in the comment section, where do you want me to take you through any of my future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Happy holidays.